What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we are actually replacing some windshield wiper blades. Well, I went through the car wash and it cracked right here, which is not so fun, right? So I go to Ace, or I go to O'Reilly's, Pep Boys I actually believe, and I said, hey, I need a strong wiper blade, and he recommended this RainX brand right here. So silicone, these are a little bit expensive, but the cool thing is this yellow thing right here, this yellow protector comes off, and these are supposedly some of the top end wiper blades, so these RainX. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Let's see how they work once we're done. Yeah, so to open this, all you're gonna do is you're gonna push these buttons right here and then just kind of flip it up. You can also do it with your hand. I just used my key tool there. And then now let's go ahead and install it. All right, so now that you have this part up, this universal adapter, you just kind of slide it right in there, and bada bing, bada boom, and it's on there. Let's do the other one. I got a big old Ford truck, so I'm up here. But again, just put this, make sure this side is right here. Really easy. These are like the easiest ones you'll ever do. Slide this off. There we go. So pretty easy. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and wet it and see how it wipes now. So we'll do a test on that, and let's see how it cleans the windshield. Now let's go ahead and look at this. Now that's a real clean swipe right there. So these RainX, we'll put a link in the description to these bad boys right here. Quality wiper blade, these RainX right here. Kind of expensive, but as you can see, they do what you need them to do.